Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR and the Smug. Both machines promise quick ice production and portability, but they have distinct features that may appeal to different users. The COWSAR ice maker boasts a daily capacity of 26.5 pounds and can produce 8 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, all while operating quietly and efficiently. On the other hand, the Smug ice maker also delivers 26.5 pounds of ice daily, but offers 9 cubes in the same time frame and the versatility of 2 different ice sizes. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you choose the right one for your home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures. When it comes to price, the COWSAR ice maker is priced at $109, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Smug ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $69. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution. Both machines excel in ice production speed. The COWSAR ice maker produces 8 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Smug ice maker slightly outperforms it with 9 cubes in the same time frame. This makes the Smug a better choice for those who prioritize quick ice production. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider. The COWSAR ice maker operates at a low power consumption of just 88 watts, making it an eco-friendly choice. On the other hand, the Smug ice maker consumes 160 watts, which is nearly double. If you're looking to save on energy costs, the COWSAR may be the better option. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Smug ice makers offer great features for countertop ice production. The COWSAR stands out for its energy efficiency and portability, while the Smug offers excellent value with its lower price and faster ice production. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for your home or outdoor adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.